How to change country on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change a country on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing a country on Netflix is actually quite simple. You just have to go ahead and launch the Netflix application here, and once you launch the Netflix application you will see this type of interface where you want to make sure to log into your account. Now, the reason you might want to change a country is for various reasons. Of course, one I'm assuming is that you would like to watch the shows that are not natively available in your country, and the only way you can achieve this is by using a VPN, and there is no any other way. You can't say you can enter the payment method of that country. Either you have to be in that country or there's no other way than using a VPN. Using a VPN will help you change the IP address. So there are many great VPN apps out there such as Surfshark VPN, Turbo VPN, Tomato VPN, Dolphin VPN, and so on. The one I'm currently using is IPVanish with a premium subscription, so this will most likely do the job for me. Doesn't mean you have to use this one, so you can simply connect to any of the region that you wish, tap the connect button. Then if it doesn't work, by the way, just try to reset or uninstall and reinstall Netflix app and log in while still connected to a VPN, and you should be able to change the country. So this way you can go ahead and then change country in Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.